This comes from Perilogics and it's a pocket-sized travel phone holder. Has many uses. Comes nicely packaged. And you just stretch this out like right here to attach the phone. It folds very easily. And what you'll do is you'll put your phone in right here and push out and then let it grip your phone. So you can do it like this. If you're just putting it on your desktop, this is a good configuration. If you needed it in portrait mode, you can do it like this. It can also be a selfie stick. You just put that in here like this and aim and shoot. So several different things that you can do to utilize this. Easy to use, it's portable, travel, take it with you. It's a very good product.